Hey guys, so today I'm going to take you through how you cancel your Amazon Prime account. So we're going to go to the All section, we're going to go all the way down to your account here. Now across here there's a small sub-menu here. We go to Amazon Prime like so, and it's not immediately obvious. I mean, you can scroll up and down the page, but actually it's right here at the top in a third sub-menu, which is Manage My Membership. So we're going to click on that. And basically what we want to do is we want to go to the manage section here, update, cancel and more, and we want to end our membership. Now it's going to keep us on the Prime thing unless we go directly down here to continue to cancel like so. And what we do is we're going to go with cancel today, and we click end membership now, and that should cancel your Amazon Prime membership. And hopefully that will help a lot of people save a little money every month. And it's amazing how often we end up having to cancel this service, isn't it? Anyway, you guys have a fantastic day. Take care. Have a lovely one. And you can probably tell I've had a little bit to drink today. So, good luck.